How to get bookmarks on Google Chrome, the only way 2025. Most people get this wrong, but getting your bookmarks in Google Chrome in 2025 is easier than you think. You won't believe how one simple method ensures you never lose your saved sites again. Start by opening Google Chrome on your device. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Bookmarks and Bookmark Manager. This will open a page displaying all your saved bookmarks in one place. The only way to securely get your bookmarks is by exporting them. Click the three-dot menu in the Bookmark Manager and select Export Bookmarks. This generates an HTML file containing all your bookmarks. Save it somewhere safe, like your desktop or cloud storage. If you are moving to a new computer or reinstalling Chrome, simply open Chrome on the new device, go to Bookmark Manager, click the three-dot menu and select Import Bookmarks. Choose the HTML file you saved and all your bookmarks will instantly appear. For extra convenience, make sure Chrome Sync is enabled. Go to Settings, click on Sync and Google Services and ensure bookmarks are toggled on. This way, bookmarks are automatically available across devices. Sign in with your Google account. The surprising truth is most users rely on manual backups or screenshots, which are inefficient. Exporting bookmarks is fast, reliable, and future-proof, especially if you switch devices frequently. In conclusion, the only way to get bookmarks on Google Chrome is through the Bookmark Manager Export-Import method. Coupled with Chrome Sync, this ensures your bookmarks are always safe, accessible, and easy to restore anywhere. Follow these steps, and you'll never lose a link again.